Guys, just wanted to show you a quick tip about these boost controllers, manual boost controllers that I bought. So what I'm doing is I'm modifying these airways. I'm putting additional 2 little tubes which I cut from just an antenna from some car toys, and I'm going to catch this wasted air and put it back in the system, but after the mass sensor, because this air has already been measured by the sensor and has been taken in account from the ECU. And if we just let it out, we might create rich conditions and get the light on for you know, an air leak or something. So what I did is, they were just, the way it came, there were just two holes here, a 3mm. So I just drilled them to a 4mm, and then use this antenna bit and just put them in, hammer them in, and I might put some glue just to seal them better, although I've checked them for air leaks and there is none. And then what I do, just use this 6mm silicone pipe, catch this air, and just then with a T just get it back in the system, probably somewhere here after the sensor, like I said, and then see if this is going to be actually better. I've never tried it before that, but I just thought maybe it will be better to find a way to get this air back into the system. So the way this works, we've got the N75 valve there that controls the wastegate on the turbo. So when the ECU sends signal to the N75 valve that it needs to open the wastegate, the valve sends air to the wastegate. So that's where this comes in, between the N75 valve and the wastegate. So the air coming in from the N75 valve goes through here, and then from there goes to the wastegate. And when you control the boost for more boost, what it does, it just bypasses the air through these two holes. So originally it was supposed to be just dumping the air into the atmosphere, but obviously this is an air leak, so it might be insignificant, but it's still some. So I just decided just to get the air back into the system.